Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a all.dll file missing error in Windows 10, 8 and 7. So how to fix this type of error? Let's start. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay, first of all, going to your Microsoft.com website, and after that click on a search option and type in the search DirectX end user runtime web installer. Now search it. And now you can see that the first links is appear, download DirectX and user runtime web installer. So click on it. Okay guys, now you can see that DirectX and user runtime web installer. So simply click on download it, and it's on a 3.0 MB file. So click on next DirectX and user web installer. Now downloading will be started, and after installing that, now I have already installed it. So download it. After downloading it, install in your PC. Now click on accept the agreements and click on next button. So click on next button. Now you can see that installing will be started, and it take a few minutes. And it's install all missing files in your PC. So it's downloading is 98.2 MB files. Now click on the next button and go to next. So now you can see that it's downloading will be started, and it's automatically download all missing files in your PC. After that, your problem has been solved, I'm sure that. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.